The following video contains content that may be disturbing to some individuals. Viewer discretion is advised. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's me, Mikey fucking Pipes. Did you miss me? I'm just trying to keep it a little more family friendly for those in the community who watch with their kids. So I apologize. This morning, it is 19th. Yep. Wednesday, April 19th. And this morning I was walking my dog, right? And I noticed yesterday that this house right here, they had a flagpole right there with the American flag, and they were digging a new hole right there, right? And now, the American flag is on the ground, right there. The Mexicans, or illegal undocumented workers, right, because they were not of American descent. I know America is a melting pot, what have you, but the people of Latin descent were digging out that flagpole with the American flag on it right there, and these fake patriots right here have no idea. You're violating the United States Code 4 USC Chapter 8. Chapter 8. And by the way, in case you're wondering where I am, I'm in Woodmere. And the block that I'm on, I believe, is Eileen Terrace. Yep, Eileen Terrace. Yep. Fake patriots. Let me tell you something, ladies and gentlemen. I am very proud to be an American citizen, a United States of America citizen. I love my passport. I love having the liberty to freely travel, to cross borders and to visit other countries and travel and experience all that God has provided us and God has created. I may not agree with the current administration of the United States government and also my state government, but nonetheless, I am proud to be an American, and I consider myself a patriot. And God bless America, and God bless the United States Constitution. But if you think you could do what that guy just did, and maybe just give him some credit, maybe he had no idea, but let me tell you something. If I had a flagpole in front of my house, right, hanging or flying in the American flag, you best believe, not everyone has flags in front of their house. Look at this. I'm driving down Peninsula Boulevard here in Woodmere, right? And, there's one flag right there. Look at that. One flag. You see one flag out of maybe 100 homes. They're proud to be an American. Maybe they just rather not display their affiliation to or likingness to our great country. But if you have, if you have a flagpole in front of your house, and it wasn't there before, but they installed it when they renovated their home. If you have a flagpole in front of your house that you paid good money for to fly the American flag, and if for whatever unknown reason you're moving that flag or having someone move that flag, right? You would know where that flag is. So maybe, just maybe, he had a mental brain fart. Maybe the guy is a drug addict. Maybe the guy, got mad at his wife, and maybe his wife killed him. Who knows? But nonetheless, I gotta give him some benefit of the doubt. But if that was my house and my flagpole and my fucking flag of my great country, you best believe it's not gonna be in the fucking ground like that. And it doesn't matter if you're an American citizen. You could be a Spaniard from Spain. You could be an Italian from Italy, right? If you're flying your flag, you're representing. Represent. Don't be a shithead like that guy did or his workers did. Disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. I swear, my neighbors, they just pissed me off. Another one, I have another Karen who's actually across the street from that guy, the fake patriot, right? Across the street, follows my housekeeper home a couple years ago. Telling me not to let my dog walk on their grass. I'm like, who the hell are you? Right? Who the hell are you? So I follow this Karen home. You know, and she's huffing and puffing all the way there. It's like, oh, you're stalking me. It's like, well, ma'am, you follow my house, you're home walking my dog. Right? And he's saying, don't walk my dog on your grass. I don't know where the fuck you live. No, sure enough, she runs inside our house. And what greets her at her front door? Her animals, her dogs. And I'm not talking about her kids either. No, her dogs. Total fucking hypocrite, these fucking Karens. I don't know. I need to move to Florida because these freaking New Yorkers are just driving me effing crazy. They're driving me crazy. But nonetheless, today is Wednesday, April 19th, 2023. We have a great day today. We're installing, Daniel, Peter, and I, we're going to install a 3-zone Fujitsu ductless mini split system for a customer we went to a couple Sundays ago to give him an estimate. And while they're finishing that up, I'm gonna go with the other mic, and we're gonna give back. And on the Mikey Pipes Philanthropy YouTube channel, you're gonna see what we do for this old lady. It's sad, you know. She called me. I have the phone call on the video that I'm gonna post later today on the Philanthropy channel. But she's been a client for about 10 years, and apparently over the winter a pipe froze, and she had to turn off the water. And the only way she can take a shower or wash her dishes or use the toilet, the facilities, the bathroom, kitchen, anything, right, is by turning the water on, but having a bucket which quickly overflows next to the pipe. So it's sad. And she put a claim with her insurance company, and she needs a letter from a plumber because she has great insurance, but she hasn't ever put a claim in 40 years that she was living there. But it's pretty sad. So she calls the office like, listen, but I can't afford the repair right now. I can't even afford the trip charge. The money's really tight. I'm on a tight budget. And so she called my office, and I called her back because she wanted to speak to the boss, which is me, Mike Dyack, licensed master plumber, Mikey Pipes. And I call up on the phone, and I can hear it in her voice right away that, she's, the pride is there, but she's in a bad place financially. And so we go through the whole call. I was like, yeah, we'll go out there and we'll give you a letter for your insurance company. We'll diagnose everything. And then I called her back, and she could hear the tearing in her voice. So I said, you know what, we're going to come out there tomorrow. And I told her what we do, that, have a nonprofit, which is true, right? I have the Mikey Pipes Philanthropy charitable organization. I'm the founder and president of this 501c3 charity, which is registered by the IRS. We're a public charitable organization. And if you want to donate, there's a QR code somewhere, maybe in the description box down below for PayPal. It's a tax deductible donation. So I said, listen, we're going to come out there, and we're going to take care of you, because I firmly believe it is your basic human right to have functional plumbing in your home. And if you live in a climate that warrants heating, and same with air conditioning, right? Listen, we just went to Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, to Vandergrift, an hour outside Pittsburgh, and installed this brand new Bosch system that was donated by Bosch Thermal Technologies. Literally a $25,000 installation. We're a local contractor, Justin and Craig from Precision Heating and Cooling Services in Plum, Pennsylvania, volunteered to labor, some extra material, some duct work, and we did it. Because I believe that's the way we're going to make the trades great again. Make the trades great again. I get emails and letters, emails frequently, letters not so often. From the younger generations, like, Mikey Pipes, thank you so much for these videos. I was in school, I was thinking about getting into the trades, but you know what? The way you handle yourself, we're doing it. I'm doing it. And I'm like, awesome, bro, awesome. I'm so glad that, listen, I'm not a role model for anything, right? But I'm so glad that, these videos are helpful to you. So that's my 2 cents for today. Wednesday morning. Just pulling up to the shop. I want to see if they someone always changes the TV in the front. No, it's the same. Yeah, right, the Samsung 50-inch TV right there, displaying a website which shows the live count on the Mikey Pipes Pipe Doctor YouTube channel. That's 137,945 subscribers. I'm very proud of that, and I couldn't have done it without each and every single one of you guys. Thank you.